So ayan guys, bago magsimula yung CPD, mayroon munang some short program and some mga biruan, warm up, may kanta-kanta, 'di ba? So enjoy muna, tawanan muna bago mag formal ng CPD. So yeah. Ayan. Kanta-kantahan muna sila. kami. Alright. Yes, enjoy lang. Yeah, palakpakan muna. And some games. Yes. We have some games as well before to start the proper CPD. Alright. Abangan nyo po guys. Thank you. Yan. Yung naka-stripe is our manager and yung bursar namin yung isa.
A few moments later.
So it's very important, and the quantity of the chemicals that we are using. All right. So not only for my beloved housekeeping, for all the things I know some of you is already aware about the towels. Okay. We have 4 colors of towels. This is we have a microfabric towel. We are using this one in all our premises. But those colors, there is a designated, uses where to use it. All right. So for the red towel, can you explain, Miss Jovelyn, where to use this red towel?
Red towels is used for the floor in washroom and
Okay, Miss Myra Santos, where we gonna use the yellow towel?
for the toilets and basins.
Or surfaces, right? Surfaces. Okay, what about the blue towel, Miss Belinda?
As the classroom services.
Very good. Brilliant. Excellent. All right. What about the green towel, Miss Regina?
Table.
Very good. So well listening. Okay, so can you repeat after those, just to elaborate which area is the uses of those towels? Miss area?
Okay, the green is for the classroom surfaces.
Tables.
Blue is classroom surfaces. Yellow is trays and basins.
Which area?
Bathroom.
Right.
And red is for the floor.
Which floor?
Bathroom.
Okay. So yeah, I know that you have some doubts. You're not perfectly sure.
Yeah.
But anyway, the TAs, your TAs inside the classroom can help you to remind if ever, as I said, remind each other. Okay?
Inspection.
Where to use the green map?
Staff room.
Sorry? Staff room in the kitchen. Okay? Are we going to use this one in the classroom?
No.
Okay, no way. There's no chance. Okay?
No exception.
So, the red mop, where to use the red mop? Toilet. Okay, where in the toilet?
Floor, maybe.
Maybe Rosini will use this one.
The ceiling.
If she cannot reach those, remove it. The dust. Okay. The yellow map. Where's the classroom? Where in the classroom? Maybe because of our height, we cannot reach there. No, thank you. Okay? There's no excuse. All right. The last one is the blue. Very flowers. Outstanding ladies. I will invite Miss Regine to anytime. My team is very ready anytime you come to cheer for us. All right. Well, I'm very proud for that. But hopefully, that time there's no hangover. That's the reason that you have where to use this. Okay? It's fine. What the matter there is just to accept, oh, sorry, apologize. Not to say that Miss Emilia didn't think so. I simply say I forgot. All right. Is it clear? Yes. So everybody's aware when the usage of mops? Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. Oh. Even for the borsar, even for the admin, our beautiful admin, our beautiful borsar, Miss Katrina.
People manager.
Huh?
Manager.
Yes. Most especially, sorry. Most especially our manager. Because even though if you are here, but still in the absence of Miss Rossini and I, she is the what do you call this one? Quiet, please. She is the one person to check everything in behalf of me.
She's the one also to mix the blood.
What?
Yeah, before Miss Carol do that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
That's why I'm here to learn.
Yes. Okay, ladies. So as you can see in the picture, we have 6 kinds of chemicals. Four. Okay. D4 diversity. So there is actually this one is I'm sticking this one on the staff room where the chemical area is there. I mean the chemicals are there. All right. So very easy. Rossini, I'm calling your attention. Okay. We already had a problem for this before. Okay. We listen to learn. Okay. So for the diversity or for the D4, in 1 gallon, it has like 5 liters. If you will put on that amount only, or here, it's 4. But if you will full that one, it's 5 liters. Okay. When any of you had a chance to dilute the D4, okay, so after putting those, the original one, the D4, you must have to follow the measurement, the exact measurement. Because you know why? After that, we need to check, we have the steps. This ppm, they said, this is the parts per million. Okay? So now, how I can assure that this the way that I diluted the D4 is accurate? Because we will check this one. There is parts per million. How? So we have this kind of strips. It's there in this one, in the chemical area. Okay? So we will open it. We will try if we got the accurate measurement. Okay? So I was diluting this one like 2 days ago. Okay. Simply open this. All right. And if you don't have some scissors, just like 2 inches. All right. Okay. All right. And this diluted D4. Okay, we will try it.
Okay na.
Okay, to check.
Cheers.
See? Now, on how to check the strips that we had the accurate. Everybody say accurate. Accurate. Okay, strips in 10 seconds. Okay. So, Okay, let's count. 1, 2,
3,
4,
louder.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow! The color changed. The color had changed. So it means we got accurate PPM. Right? So you know what the measurement of this, why it has a color, there is a definition of the colors. Okay? So it starts from this natural color, as you can see, right? And then you can see the color, right?
Yes.
Even it's small. Yeah? So from that color to lighter and light green, this one is dark. And so it means we got the accurate. See? Now I'm very confident in the inspector to come. Okay, so Madi, for the correct ppm is 200 to 400 ppm. So the lighter one, in the light brown like that, it's 200. So we reach the perfect one, which is 400. Okay. Amazing, right? So any of you, just to have a look on this, okay? When we come to the Vyrix, Rossini, the Vyrix, okay, especially for you, Rossini, if I am not around, okay, and you have a doubt of diluting this one, just go to our beloved manager. If she is busy, go to Miss Diana, go to Miss Kat, and everybody.
Do each class have that, or does that say?
No, it's only
the
this
kitchen.
one. It's only there. I am sticking this one. It's just there. So it's available to check for everybody. Okay? So there's no reason that with somebody can hear to what do you call this one?